Here's a 1-minute beginner challenge to strengthen your hip flexors. We're doing 3 levels, 20 seconds each, starting from a seated position. We're engaging our core and lifting our knees. This will get your hip flexors fired up, and it's a great way to train them in a gentle way. This is level 1. In a few seconds, we're going to switch to level 2. We're just going to stand up from our chair and raise our knees to about hip level. Having strong hip flexors are so important for everyday life. It helps you with walking stamina, walking upstairs. It stabilizes your pelvis and can prevent aches and pains caused by weak hip flexors like lower back pain. It's so important we don't neglect it. Alright, let's move on to the next level. We're going to slowly tap our foot onto our chair, raising our knee a little bit above our hip level. Obviously, if you're not at this level yet, keep practicing the previous levels. If you have tight or weak hip flexors from sitting too much, you might want to stretch it out, but that's only temporary. Strengthening it is a more permanent fix. Alright, this is a bonus level. We're doing some circle kicks above the seat of our chair. This is going to open up our hips even more. Along with strengthening, mobility is important too. This is one exercise you can do. You can also do leg swings, some modified 90-90s. I teach most of these exercises on my page. Alright, great job.